I don't bring you an update from Justice for Inyobo. Yes, for now we don't know. They rape and kill one girl where she go they look for job. My people, finally, they don't give us the name. They don't give us the picture of the person we do this nonsense thing we una hear about. And yes, the name na Udwak. Yes, na him name be that. Charlie, wahala plenty o. If una see the place, make una relax. The shallow grave where they say he buried that girl inside. Finally, my people, when they show us the place, I mean they say, now just one grave like that, where they put the girl cover am. My people, even pillow they there. They say now the pillow where the guy use press the girl, press am till she finally pass out. Not be their head. They constantly show us other graves. What do it mean? It means say this guy don't dey inside this business long, no be today. So I beg, I bring am come una side. Make una see the boy with una own koro eye and see the graveyard where don't they do this business long time. Join me, make we watch the video.
Here's the present situation of the compound. This soccer world now supposed to be that people are supposed to be thrown into have been destroyed, as you can see. The soccer well has been opened, and if you look at the backyard, you will see other graves that people were supposed to be buried being dug. So here's the situation of the compound right now, as you can see. Right here is the shallow grave of Inyobong Umore. You can see the pillow right there. Maybe the pillow he used to strangle the girl before he killed her. And another grave here has also been dug, and another victim supposed to be exhumed. And as you can see right there again, there are so many graves at this backyard. In short, this backyard is a graveyard, in short. So as you can see, these are still graves of victims that Odo Akpan buried that have been exhumed. You can see right now, because this is no story. You can witness everything for yourself. The building has so far been destroyed. The building have been destroyed. As you can see, the windows, everything have been removed from the house. The house has been destroyed. These are shoes of victims they killed. Shoes of victims. The place has been burned down. Yeah, these are supposed books of students. They were brought down. You can see everywhere books are scattered in the whole room. You can see right.
Ha! Hey! Mo gbe o. This guy, see, una know understand. This guy don't be serial killer long time. Now una go agree with me. How many graves? In fact, hey, Jesus Christ. He even dig some in advance. You know understand? He dig some down. Nobody don't enter there. He just dig them down so that next victim will go come like that. No, una no see him. Hey! Jesus is Lord. I beg, see. My people no be joke. We get evil people. No be the ones where they happen by mistake. Some people they do some things based on maybe present situation or unknowingly. That one, those ones they. We get people like this one. They sit down, they plan them, they strategize for years. Anytime when this guy close the eye, I pray say go they see everybody where he don't key. Yes. And the painful part of this whole thing now for this life where we dey, my people be say, no matter the justice say where we fight for, the dead people no go come back. Now the thing where they pay me be this, because assuming people they come back because of justice, nobody go dead by now, because we go do justice for everybody. Hey God, oh, may we not die because we define hustle. Imagine. The thing safe, see they do me so much. Like if they remember the whole people get mind for this life. Like people get mind to take your fellow human being life, like you dey see in blood, nothing dey move you, you still dey like nothing happen. All of una wey before una talk say this person is evil, he must have dreadlocks, he must have tattoo, he must pierce, all of una continue to dey blind. This guy wey una watch now, he look like who get tattoo. He get dreadlocks, but see the level of hatred wey this one get for a fellow human being. No tattoo, no earring, he no put earring, he no do dreadlock, he even barb him hair, wear cool glasses. Continue until you see dreadlocks. This man is evil. At the time, every time say we still have people where they wear suit. If those people deal with you, you go dey wonder, say no be this person I just see now, you go dey wonder, they exist. Evil people, they are hard. All of una wey dey involved inside this thing, no be just this girl matter. You know say you dey do this thing like na your business, na your habit, like you go die painful death. I dey tell una serious thing, and before you die, you no go know peace. You dey take people life as a hobby, like na your job be that. Which can no, these people, I want to say they be heartless, but heartless self na understatement. My people, I beg, I will talk am one more time, make we dey very careful. Biko, dey very careful. Any place where you dey go, you know, if you are not sure, if it's possible, self carry person may follow you. And more importantly, all of una wey like if they leave house, you know, they tell anybody where they go. I beg, especially ladies. I know say now men too are not safe, but they talk to the girls now. If men too want listen, may they listen. I beg, if you dey go somewhere, open your ear. You dey go somewhere, if it's possible, send your live location self to person. It dey very important, because now we no fit trust anybody. Nobody where you go say, okay, I'm trusting this person, I'm not trusting this person. If you dey go for a job, make sure say, in fact, about 10 people know about the job. Not just because they just tell you. Some people, desperation will kill us. You have been looking for a job, person go just lie, give you, you said you go just go, abeg, make una no rush, do research, ask questions. See, normally, if job vacancy exists for one place, you go see, if not online, they suppose post am, say so company is looking for so, you understand? If you don't see anything like that, abeg, no involve yourself. Very, very important. I don't talk the one way I fit talk. Person wey get ear, make e hear. Person wey no get ear, no hear. I don't drop am the way I bring am call. My people, so wetin una think concerning this matter? And now this guy, we still dey wait for wetin the court abi police people go tell us say they go do to am, because now many people just dey shout, may they kill am by hanging, no, may they give am life imprisonment. Everybody just dey bring their own, but na for here una go still know whether they sentence am to death abi life imprisonment. Anyhow wey happen, na for here una go still get am. And yes, una go soon get new TV presenter for this platform, so get ready. And I go give you a tip of who where the person they come from, and now from the southeast states. So I beg anybody where you suspect or think, drop off in that comment section, and I still dey wait for what you think concerning this justice for Iniobong matter. Please share this video, make everybody know what they happen, because people need know say this guy even dig other graves, so that nobody go fall victim for any other case. Very, very important. And click on that notification bell so that you no go miss anything where I get here for Una. Stay tuned for our next story.